What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Guys, we're breaking down SNDL or Sundial. Again, I apologize for the voice. I am still very sick, but I'm trying my best here, you guys. I'm only going to do a couple videos, or as many videos as I can, so just bear with me, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're starting from a higher time frame, like always. We're on the daily interval, and we always want to start from a higher time frame so we can see the trend that our stock is in, and this also allows us to find our support and resistance lines. So this is what these two lines represent. So this top line represents our major resistance line, and this can be back tested. We can see that we came up, hit this resistance area. Ultimately, once we break past the resistance, it comes down and works as a support or a floor. So we can see that it came up. We have this huge candlestick wick that broke below this level, so we won't really count this one, but we do have this one where it bounced up and ultimately came back down onto our support. It came back down, came up, ultimately got rejected, and then started this downtrend, and then we pulled back up into this resistance area about 2 times until it failed and pulled us back down to our major support area, to where we currently are at as of right now. So if we look left on our support area, on the opposite side, you can see all the resistance that we have, where it was having trouble breaking past this area until ultimately it gapped up right onto its new support, and then that goes so forward with the resistance. But we look back to the right, and we have these 2 candlesticks that were current, that were bouncing off of this level. So I'll zoom into that so you guys can see this. We pulled right onto this major support, you guys. We bounced up, pulled back down onto this major support, and we did even create a higher low. It's just a very small one, and basically bounced off of this level. And now we're starting to break this downtrend, which is really good news, you guys. Even on the RSI, we can see that we are oversold, and is trying to create a correction. The only thing that I would like to see is that we can break above this trend line, or rest above this trend line that we have, because we're still under it. This still would be a good opportunity to buy in. You have 2 opportunities, or 2 different areas to get in. You could get in right now, have your stop loss below either the 82 cent or the 79 cent area. And then obviously, if you're a safer trader, you can wait for us to break above this minor resistance and to come back down and create a new floor, that being in the dollar area. And then your stop loss and your target would be a little bit different if you're day trading or scalp trading. Just keep that in mind. We are on the daily interval, so if you want to find these areas, you're going to have to break down to a smaller time frame. But this is giving an example on the daily time frame. So like I said, we're starting to correct and try to break this downtrend, and hopefully we can continue this uptrend, or I'm sorry, this bounce from this level into our next target. So if you're day trading or swing trading, or you're holding a little bit longer, if you were to get in at that lower level, your first target would be back at that $13 or that dollar flat area, and then your second target would be back up here at the $72 area. So I hope this video helps you guys. I'm going to try to post this as fast as I can, so that way you guys can have an advantage over the market. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.